Next, we'll delve into processes, which are critical for reducing environmental impact. We'll discuss how to implement circular economy principles and lean manufacturing techniques with a sustainability focus. Additionally, we'll explore strategies for optimizing supply chains, conducting comprehensive carbon footprint assessments, and developing transparent reporting mechanisms. Thus, I'd like to welcome Rick Riss, who has an in-depth understanding of operations management and process optimization, particularly as it relates to sustainability. Rick will share insights on how industries can rethink their processes to minimize environmental impact and improve resource efficiency while maintaining productivity.